Working President kaseng Congress uba proses ti saukme ubalong ru MLA jong ka maulai baru MLA ka Congress na rambrai jerngam uba kimfa marbanyang kila ther ting e yunong yalam ka All India Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma halor ka jing tuklar ka jong u ya kirai bala shim daki MLA ka Congress ban ai jing kershan ni ka sarkar MDA halor kimat lani ki issue jong ki pait ba uba piti saw kumeu loong haba kimdan shu haka parti kim dei shu ban tuklar ya karai baki MLA jong ka Congress kila shim kim dei ru ban kran persha namar baka seng ka don laka jong ka rukam perkhat bat ka rukam trekam jong ka ban penklanya ka parti namar nadu menshwahi ka jingbam ai jing kershan nakaliang persha ai ka sarkar kadei nakadaw bu nong yelam barim udan kadaw shimet ka jong u Hakaway pat kaliang uba kimfa marbanyang loong bakarai jong ka Congress ban ai ka jingkershan ni ka sarkar MDA kamdei karai ka basushim ruma henrei ka David tang na kabanta ban ai ka jingkershan yakimat lani ki issue ki bakta ai ki paitba bat lada ka sarkar ka tre bakla la ban kedoi ka taru Uloong ru baka jingkeno unong yalam ka AITC u Dr. Mukul Sangma bakila shet kela ikipat ba kadai ka babakla namar ba baro kitib ba mano ba shet kela ikipat ba ki baju kershan ni ka seng Congress
leader jongka TMC is only leader now, it's not leader opposition. Leader jongka TMC nakalian ju ong ba nakalian ki Congress sangut kila ya kila shet kalong ya kajela mat yang rihi barak away. Namar mana kini sengi bandar kalian jeng sangut wilayah rai kalau nak bandar jengbit jengbiang jong jelah hi barak away kamtam ke isu jong ke ILP kan isu jong ke border dia ke isu hak kabade jong kan ya ka ke isu jong ke jengbom yo ke jengbom tulok jong ke noi kai kiwi isu ke bang i pai ba ke lesem jana dong sadong mat kumjo ke isu long bandar jong man perong ni ka ketin kasih apa atau schedule jong constitution dia kasih bergaruh improng apa kredit jong constitution di nakaliang jingi singi perkhat kalong balengi menteri lang no pi hagi por mensua nakaliang jingi gemla menteri jengla panong kadon ka na panong ka jingi persya atau po kalong personal di personal kalong no leader jingi ban nakaliang jong leader jong anti kalong personal dengi mentah ban nakaliang jingi kilami ni ang boleh nakaliang jingi kalong bangin perkhat mano Khatmano bandar jadi kalong bangin support sarkar ya katu kan nik issue pi bang support sarkar ni habis syai kambut bandar jadi kalong minister kambut bandar jadi kalong bangin dolang mak sarkar akan nuno karai ni kalong tang issue betul issue ke bangin Indonesia dikidon issue ke bandar jadi kalong ngilakren dan nakaliang sarkar pada kam accept dan nakaliang jadi haban persian tak issue pi kamut bang nota mukul bandar jadi sangut kila isyat kila ya geri berjabri ngol ong ki masyad kala mata ki di benda kalian jongka na kalian juga argut ki MLA jongka EITMC kami de Congress na kalian jong mak TMC itu kai kebodon na kalian jonga hakabedi berka jibi argut de kasyong ka mon jongki nama maki di sebelum MLA kalong ki di brio ki basta sampang ke buat perkat de kalong kasyong haki tengok desu mata kajuk parti amko apa nak kalian juki kalau bagikan persya pada yang sangut di Kongres. Jadi nak kalian juki, nak kalian juki mungkin persya, mungkin persya ya kalian dah juki mesti bagi di parlok juki dalam berserang muka mungkin persya. Dan nak kalian juki pada persya ini kalau bakta pada yang parti pada ini dengan haban persya. Dikata ke bandar kalian juga akan pedang long ada pon.
Actually, our support was based on the issue of the state, and we have not supported the government we have not supported the government fully, but we have done an outside support to the issues of the people, issues of the state. So basically, we still have a room to even counter the government if they are not attend to the needs and the welfare of the people. So this issue-based thing is mainly because we found that if we support the government with the issues like ILP, if they fulfill the ILP, then secondly the payment of the SSA teachers and all the other staff of departments like municipal and other, then only we go ahead to support. That also outside support, not fully support the government. See, we are not desperate to support the MDA government. Actually, if we look into the past 3-4 years when we are together with the other teams, I think we have not betrayed the people because we have not moved out of the Congress. We are still in the party. So the betraying part is, I think so, they know better who has betrayed the people. So in that way, from our side, the Congress party, we are still intact. We still remain with the party, and we'll go ahead to serve the people with what we intend to and what we have promised during 2018 election.